Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let me ask you something straight. Have you ever gone no contact, convinced that silence alone would make her miss you, only to realize she's not breaking? That the woman you thought would come crawling back just kept posting, laughing, glowing? That hollow feeling you felt? That wasn't weakness. That was your ego watching hers. And today, I'm going to tell you something few men ever hear. No contact alone doesn't crush her ego. Your transformation does. Before we get deep into this, make sure you subscribe and like this video if you're ready to understand women on a psychological level. Most men never do, because what I'm about to share will sting a little. But it's the truth you need to hear if you ever want to stop being emotionally manipulated and start becoming the one who controls the emotional tone. Here's the hard truth. Most women don't crumble in silence because they've already mentally detached long before you stop texting. When you go no contact, she's already replayed every argument, every moment of weakness, every emotional plea you made. In her mind, she's the one who already walked away first. So, your silence, it doesn't hit her ego unless it disrupts her perception of who you are. You see, no contact only works when the version of you she left behind becomes unrecognizable. If she sees the same predictable man still reacting to her stories, still quietly checking on her friends, still emotionally fixated, then she knows she still owns space in your mind. And that's all her ego needs to stay fed. But the moment you change the emotional equation, when your energy, your body language, your lifestyle start radiating indifference mixed with mystery, something shifts inside her. It's no longer about you being silent. It's about her realizing she can't read you anymore. That psychological dissonance, the confusion of losing, emotional power over you, that's what crushes her ego. So don't just go silent. Rebuild in silence. Level up, disappear into purpose, and come back as a man whose presence commands attention without saying a single word. That's when her mind replays the loss on repeat. That's when she realizes silence wasn't your weakness, it was your strategy. Let me be brutally honest with you. If you think she's going to regret losing you just because you stopped answering her texts, you're already playing the wrong game. Regret isn't triggered by absence alone. It's triggered by your transformation. It's triggered by her witnessing a man she underestimated, a man she thought she could bend or ignore, suddenly become untouchable, unbothered, and irresistibly magnetic. Here's the psychological truth most men miss. Women, like it or not, are wired to respect power, not pain. They feel drawn to the energy of a man who doesn't chase validation. So when you sit there, waiting for her to feel bad about leaving, what you're actually doing is feeding her ego. She sees your longing, she sees your fixation, and she quietly confirms to herself, he's still mine in some way. What flips the script is subtle, almost invisible. You don't announce it, you don't post about it, you don't try to prove anything. You simply become a man whose life moves forward without her approval. You develop a life so compelling, so high value, that her subconscious mind can't stop recalculating. Why didn't I hold on to him? Start by reclaiming your environment, your mornings, your workouts, your social circle. Fill your calendar with things that make you grow, things that make you laugh, things that make you look like someone who doesn't need anyone else's permission to be happy. When she checks your life and sees that transformation, that glow, that unwavering confidence, she'll experience cognitive dissonance. The woman who thought she won suddenly realizes she lost her power over you. This isn't about revenge. It's about mastery. It's about rising above the emotional dependency she exploited. Every time you invest in your appearance, your skills, your financial independence, you're sending a silent message that echoes louder than words ever could. You don't control me, you never did. And here's the kicker. This transformation doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, discipline, and self-respect. Every text you don't send, every lingering thought you redirect toward growth, every social interaction you own instead of obsess over her is a brick in the wall of her growing regret. Now ask yourself, are you willing to do the inner work, the work most men avoid, just so she finally realizes that losing you was her biggest mistake? Because that's the difference between half-hearted no contact and true ego-crushing mastery. Here's something most men never admit to themselves. Her ego isn't fragile, it's protected. She's been conditioned to think that leaving, ignoring, or dismissing a man is her ultimate power play. And if you let that belief go unchallenged, if you simply wait in silence, hoping she feels your absence, she'll walk away thinking she won while you spiral quietly in the background. That's not power. That's surrender disguised as patience. The true power move is psychological disruption. It's making her question everything she assumed about you without saying a word. It's stepping into a version of yourself she never saw coming. And the most potent way to do this is through subtlety. You don't flaunt your success. You don't post your new life for her to see. It's your presence in real life, your energy, your magnetism that speaks volumes. She'll notice it before she can rationalize it. Start by eliminating all emotional dependence on her. Every thought, every longing, every imagined scenario where she comes back, burn it. Replace it with creation, new routines, new social circles, new skills that make your life richer. When your happiness becomes internal, your world becomes untouchable. And when she catches wind of it through mutual friends, through social media, through chance encounters, it will shake her foundation. She'll feel the absence of her control, and that is the crack that starts the ego collapse. Next, embrace unpredictability. Women, even the most confident, are drawn to mystery. If you're predictable, if she knows your every move, your every emotional reaction, she feels safe and bored. But a man who appears strong, centered, and unpredictable creates tension. That tension makes her mind replay the past, the arguments, the intimate moments, all while she wrestles with a subtle fear. Did I let go of someone I can't get back? And remember this, the goal isn't to make her miserable. The goal is to become unrecognizably high value, a man whose life doesn't orbit around her, a man who could walk into any room and command attention without speaking. Her regret will follow naturally. It's not manipulation. It's self-mastery that forces her to confront her own mistakes. Most men fail here because they underestimate patience and internal focus. They think ego-crushing is loud, dramatic, or reactive. It's not. True power is silent, relentless, and internally anchored. The man she left behind, dead. The man she can't forget, just born. Now let's get into the part that most men can't stomach. Your value isn't measured by her attention. It's measured by your actions when she's absent. The moment you stopped chasing, the moment you stopped seeking validation, that's when the real work begins. This is where most men fail. They think silence equals power. It doesn't. Silence is just the canvas. You are the painting. And every choice you make now paints a picture she can't stop analyzing. Here's what she's really noticing. Even if she hides it behind laughter or indifference, your composure, your discipline, your ability to live on your own terms, she sees a man thriving while she thought she held the strings. That tension between what she thought she controlled and what's now untouchable is the sharp edge of ego destruction. And you don't have to tell her a single thing. The moment you internalize this, every glance, every interaction, every social encounter becomes fuel for her subconscious regret. Let's be clear. This isn't about revenge. Ego crushing isn't yelling, fighting, or passive-aggressively posting on social media. It's about embodying a life she can't manipulate. Every step you take towards self-improvement is a silent message that echoes louder than words. Your body, your energy, your confidence, they are the weapons of subtle domination. She'll notice, she'll compare, and slowly she'll realize she underestimated you. Start with the fundamentals: fitness, appearance, financial growth, social expansion. But don't do it for her. Do it for yourself. Because the moment you chase validation, the spell is broken. True magnetic energy comes from a man who thrives without attachment. She may never tell you what she's feeling, but her subconscious mind will be in turmoil. That's where the real regret begins. Quiet, constant, and relentless. Here's a secret most men ignore. Emotional detachment amplifies attraction. When she senses that you're completely anchored in yourself, that her presence or absence doesn't define your mood, her mind begins to replay memories, arguments, intimate moments, all while she struggles to reconcile the fact that the man she thought she controlled is untouchable. That tension, subtle, invisible, unbearable, is what truly crushes her ego. And don't underestimate timing. Ego crushing isn't a 1 week experiment. It's months of consistent self mastery, presence, and silent growth. Every interaction she imagines, every memory she replays, is amplified by your silent but deliberate transformation. That's when she finally realizes she lost not just a man, but a force she couldn't dominate. Here's the truth: no one tells men. Women don't respect the man who waits for them to come back. They respect the man who lives fully while they're gone. Think about it. Every moment you spend obsessing over her texts, every sleepless night wondering if she's moved on, reinforces her perception that she still has power over you. That's the exact opposite of ego crushing. True psychological impact comes from unshakable self-possession, from a life so vibrant, so magnetic, that she feels the loss in the very air around her. It starts with boundaries, ironclad, non-negotiable boundaries. You don't respond to bait. You don't argue over trivialities. And you absolutely don't beg. Your energy becomes untouchable. She may test, probe, even subtly taunt, but each time she does, your response is silence or measured indifference. That emotional consistency tells her something profound. You're no longer the man she could manipulate. That's the exact moment the cracks begin to form in her ego. Next, amplify your presence in life, not online. Join new circles. Take on challenges that scare you. Travel. Invest in yourself in ways she never imagined. She may see glimpses of it through friends, social media, mutual encounters, but never the full picture. That selective visibility creates obsession. She wonders, she calculates, she compares, and every thought she has reinforces one undeniable truth. She's no longer in control of your world. You also need to embrace the art of detachment from outcomes. Stop hoping she calls, stops by, or reaches out. When you internalize this, your energy transforms. You're no longer chasing her validation. You're generating your own. That transformation is magnetic. It forces her mind into reflection. She remembers intimacy, laughter, connection, but now paired with confusion and loss. That emotional dissonance is a psychological masterstroke, the kind of quiet domination no argument or confrontation could ever achieve. Finally, understand that her ego will push back. She might flirt, provoke, or try to insert herself into your life. Stay consistent. No reaction, no indulgence in her testing. Let her actions reflect her own confusion and attraction. Over time, that subtle tension, your unwavering presence, your thriving energy, your refusal to be controlled, turns regret into obsession. She begins to see clearly. She lost someone she could never truly own, someone whose value she cannot replicate or replace. Now let's seal this strategy with the ultimate truth. Crushing her ego isn't about revenge. It's about irresistible self-mastery. By the time she fully realizes the magnitude of what she lost, it won't be because you texted, argued, or tried to make her jealous. It will be because you became a man she can no longer define, predict, or control. And that, my friend, is power beyond words. Think of it this way: her mind will replay your absence like a movie. Every laugh, every intimate moment, every time she thought she had you figured out, all filtered through the lens of your transformation. She will feel it in subtle ways. An ache when she sees your photos, an unease in conversations with mutual friends, a quiet pang whenever she thinks of what she could have had. That's the silent collapse of her ego. You didn't manipulate it, you earned it through self discipline, indifference, and the relentless pursuit of your own life. And here's what separates men who succeed from men who fail: consistency. Ego crushing isn't a day, a week, or even a month. It's a sustained evolution. Every new skill you master, every boundary you reinforce, every interaction where you remain unshaken compounds her internal reckoning. She doesn't consciously realize it at first, but subconsciously she begins to compare the man she left behind to the man she sees now, and the regret sets in. Quietly, inexorably. This isn't about hurting her, it's about reclaiming yourself. Every ounce of energy you invested in longing, in waiting, in replaying the past, redirect that into growth. Make your mornings, your workouts, your social life, your ambitions non-negotiable. When she witnesses the man you've become, a man alive, thriving, magnetic, it hits harder than any confrontation ever could. That's why no contact alone is never enough. Silence without transformation is empty. Transformation without silence is ineffective. You need both. Finally, remember this: she can't erase what she once had with you. Memories, intimacy, chemistry, they linger. And when you return to the world fully realized, fully magnetic, she will confront that truth daily. That's the moment ego collapses and regret takes hold. Not because you forced it, but because you became uncontainable, untouchable, undeniable. Do this, and the man you once were will be gone. The woman who thought she could control you will be gone. All that remains is a new reality. You elevated, unshakable, and finally